Okay, we're going to take a look at a Bosch dishwasher, error code E24. If you look on the website for Bosch, it says it could be because the drain is blocked. That's the code on there. You'll see E24. The most common ways you can fix this is just by removing the drain cleanout, and oftentimes you'll find things stuck in there. So let's take a look at that real quick. Counterclockwise, turn on the filter, take a look at it, pull it out, rinse it off. Oftentimes you'll see the cause of the problem down in that filter. Sometimes nothing obvious will be wrong, but you always want to start with this as the first step. I often will put a little bit of detergent in there, rinse it out, in and out. If that doesn't do it, you're going to have to get a little bit more gross and reach down in there and see if there's any food lodged inside the drain itself. Try to find it, try to get the water moving, see if anything will move around, come loose. If you don't find anything there, this is the heart of my video, and this is my special trick at fixing the really hard to find clogged drains. So sometimes the clog is in the hose and you're not going to be able to reach it from the bottom like that. So I use a turkey baster, access the dishwasher vent as so, try to backwash the drain, force that water from the drain hose back into the dishwasher, so you should be able to hear it. And that's telling you, when you can hear that well, that you are getting a flow of water between that vent and the drain itself. So reinstall the filter, put everything back together, put a cover, as you can see up there, on the vent. Turn it off and back on, because we got to reset the fault. And the very first thing the dishwasher does at the start of the cycle is try to run that pump. I've got that covered up with my little bag here. I make sure I got really good flow. Anything that was stuck gets blasted out on that first cycle. Reinstall the breather piece, cover that back up. And then you can check and see if you got the error code again, or if it's clear. In my case, it's clear. I'm back to washing dishes. Hopes that helps. Later.